Oh my gosh, Alicia, I literally have obviously been waiting for this veil. And so, like, I made sure I'd be home today when it came. And oh my God, it just came. And oh my goodness. Sorry, I just got a text, but oh my goodness, I opened it and I don't even know what to say. The pictures you sent don't do this justice at all. I mean, the pictures were amazing, but like it doesn't capture the blue essence of the crystal. And even just all the detail and the fine lace and everything. I mean, there's just like, I could stare at it for hours. Unfortunately, I can't stare at it for hours now because I'm on my way to sessions, but oh my gosh, I don't even know what to say. I don't even know what people are going to say when they see it. It is insane. It is actually insane. It is actually insane. I literally, I need to go like bathe in it. I don't know. Like, I just want to go study it for 500 hours, but I can't because Guy is lives with me. So, and I don't want him to see it, obviously. But anyway, your note was beautiful, and I'm looking at the other note thing you sent, so I'm going to look at that. But I just want to say I got it, and I'm floored, and I will keep you posted on everything. And oh my God, I'm going to be bringing it to my dress fitting. Can't wait.